Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. Still in Winona, Minnesota, and it is 2 degrees this morning. That's about minus, I don't know, what is that, maybe minus 14 Celsius. Freezing, absolutely freezing. Anyhow, things are heating up, so I see on the telly in Egypt. Now cameramen and the like are being asked. Anyone with a camera is being attacked by the crowd, and they don't want witnesses. So, not really sure what's going on. No one is sure what's going on. And what does that tell me? That tells me uncertainty reigns, and stock markets do not like uncertainty. What are the markets telling me? Basically, the futures are down. I mean, barely nothing. So what's happening? I mean, is the market that good? Or is it being manipulated? I mean, we all probably suspect that it is being manipulated higher, but what really is going on here? I remain in the bearish camp. I'm not overly bearish, but I am looking for a decent correction to fill these pattern gaps. There's still pattern gaps in the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the S&P futures. So filling those gaps are my targets. Pattern gaps, by definition, are filled 1 to 4 days after they're made, and today is day number 2. So we will see how it goes, but I am looking for... would like to see these gaps filled, and filling them today would be idyllic. Moving on over to the bonds and notes, we are seeing follow-through selling in the notes this morning, and the bonds are not following. I mean, the bonds are a little bit lower, but the notes are down like 10 ticks. The bonds are down a couple of ticks. So we have the short end leading the way, and I prefer when the bonds lead the way. So I'm not really sure what to make of it, but I mean, I know George is bearish. He's been bearish. He remains bearish. We broke the trend line yesterday and closed just below it. The trend line in the bonds we broke yesterday, but closed right on it. So these markets are teetering here. The notes had an area at 119.22, which we took out, and right now the market's trading 119.19. So with confirmation for me would be a close below this 119.22 area. Good confirmation would be a significant close below it. I mean, right now the market's trading 119.19. I'm talking like 119.10, 119.05, a 118 handle. And then the double top objective in the notes would be 117.29. So I will send out a treasury note chart this morning showing the double top and all the bits and pieces on it. I'm in the camp where I actually kind of want to buy the credit markets. So the old saying, "Don't catch a falling knife." I don't know. I just feel everyone's bearish, and I just can't get that bearish yet. So I prefer when the bonds lead, and the bonds aren't leading, the notes are leading. So we will see how it goes. This is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. You have a good day, and go sign up for a free week. I'll have an interesting commentary tonight for payrolls tomorrow. Cheers.